Bore da, happy Shwmae Su'mae Day. My name is Charlotte Harrison-Allcock and I'm currently on my Welsh language journey. I started it when I started college and the Welsh language inspired me straight away, and I would start asking friends and teachers on specific words, on how to say them and pronounce them and spell them, and loads of different techniques on how to learn it. Then I got more into the online and I would Google different websites that will help me and use different apps. I got really into it, and now I also do private tutoring on the Welsh language that I find really helpful and that I also enjoy as a hobby. So I would love to spread the word and recommend the Welsh language to others out there that might not know it or that might be wanting to learn it. I just say that I recommend and that the Welsh language is amazing. Happy Shwmae Su'mae Day.